Hi boys and girls, today we are on lesson 34 and it looks like this. So make sure you have that. We're going to get started right away on number 1. I'm going to give you some sounds and then I want you to say the sound and then we are going to write down the letters that make that sound. So number 1 we have D. So D, D, and then the letters that make it are D, or as a final sound, D, comma, E, D. Number 2, we have T, T. So it's T, or as a final sound, we have T, or, comma, E, D. Number 3, we have E, which is just E for now. Today we're going to learn a new one. Number 4 is A, A. Number 5 is Number 6 is H. Number 7 is F. Number 8 is O. Number 9 is S. And number 10 is A. Make sure you have these written down on your board, on your paper, and pause if you need to have time to write it. Next, we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. Right, I want you to spell on number 11 the word path. P-A-A-T-H. Or T-H. Blend. Number 12. We are going to spell rock. R-A-O-K. At the end, after a vowel, we do C-K. Rock. All right. Next, we are going to learn a new digraph. Let's look at these words. Teeth, beat, whoopsies, beat, and keep. What digraph are we noticing in all of these? Teeth, beat, keep. E, right? When we have this digraph, we underline it, E-E. So what other digraphs? So a digraph is 2 letters that come together to make one sound. So the other digraphs, ouch, we've learned about are C-K, N-G, and T-H. These we called consonant digraphs because they're all consonants in each of them. This one is called a vowel digraph because there's 2 E's and E's are vowels, so it is a vowel digraph. All right, let's keep coding these words. So when we code the EE digraph, we cross off the second E and the first E gets a macron because it makes the long vowel sound and long vowels get a macron. And then here we could underline our TH digraph that we already know. Again, here on beat, we're just going to cross off that E and put a macron. And again here, cross off that E and put a macron. All right, so that is how you would code that. Let's talk about our new sight word next. Our new sight word is related to the digraph we are learning because it does not follow the digraph rule. It is this word. If we were following the digraph rule, we would say that word as been, but that's not the word. It is been. So when you see this word, just like all your other sight words, you just have to know that it's been and not been. Alrighty. Next, let's look at our picture card. Here we have a picture of a sheep. So when we see this, we'll say sheep and then EE digraph. Alrighty, let's practice spelling with some words. let's spell, maybe not spell, Miss White can't find her paper. Just kidding. Okay, number 14. Nope, that's not where we're at. Here we go. All right. Number 13, when we hear EE, when we hear E, another way we can write it is EE instead of just E. Right now we do just E, but now it's EE to make that E sound. Number 14, let's spell C. So we have S and then EE. Number 15, let's spell B. This is B like a bumblebee, and it's EE. Because just BE means is a different type of bee. Number 16, we have green. So we have green. All righty. Make sure you have these down, and then we are going to code some words. Number 17, we have 3. So we have our digraph here and our digraph here. And on our vowel digraph, we cross off the E and we put a macron on. Number 18, we have sleep. SL is a blend, but we don't do anything with blends. We just leave it. We're going to underline our EE digraph, cross off our E, and put on a macron. Number 19 is seed. Again, underline our EE, cross off the second one, and put a macron on the first one. Number 20 is deep. Same thing. Underline our EE digraph, cross off the second one, and a macron on the first. Number 21 is feet. Underline, line through the second one, and a macron on the first one. Look at these words. 3, sleep, seed, deep, feet. Pause if you need to write them down, and then draw a line from the word that to the picture it matches. All right, on our next group, we have 22, black. We underline our digraph, cross off our C, and our A gets a brev. Again, BL is a blend, but it doesn't get anything. King, we have our NG digraph, and our I gets a brev. Number 24. We have B. Oh, see, this is the other B. It gets the macron because the E is on its own. $25, off. We cross off that second F, and our O gets a brev. 26, rested. We're going to box off our ED, and our E gets a brev. Make sure that you have those all written down. You're going to do the back of your worksheet on your own now. So you're going to read number 1 and then answer the question that relates to number 1 on number 2. Same thing on 3 and 4, and then you're going to draw a line to those blends that match the picture. All right, I'll see you next time.